Isozin zinc tape is a unique anti-corrosion product that is easily applied, versatile and a proven product that reacts in a similar way to hot dip galvanizing, but with the added advantage of on-site or works application. Isozin acts as a barrier coating and sacrificial anode, giving a total corrosion control solution. The tape is able to achieve this through its unique electroconductive adhesive that maintains electrical continuity between the zinc coating and the substrate. Isozin tape is approved by the Italian Standards Institute and is covered by UNI 10781, laminar zinc coating for atmospheric corrosion. The product consists of a high-purity zinc tape with a nominal thickness of 0.08 millimeters, but can be supplied to a maximum thickness of 0.5 millimeters. The tape is supplied with an adhesive of a nominal thickness of 0.025 millimeters that can resist a continuous operating temperature of 80 degrees Celsius and which reacts under electroconductive pressure. The adhesive layer is covered by a silicon paper tape that protects the zinc band from getting damaged or polluted until the tape is applied. Isozin can be supplied in two different forms: on rolls ranging from 10 mm width to 300 mm width, and in specific shapes based on customer requirements. For particularly aggressive environments, such as those found in certain areas of chemical plants, then Isozin zinc tape can be coated with Tedlar, which is a PVF film having excellent resistance to acids, hydroxides and solvents. Tedlar is produced by DuPont and is available clear or in selected colors. Isozin is designed to cover the surface of iron, steel, aluminium and light metals to protect them from corrosion. This is achieved by applying Isozin through the correct pressure to the surface that needs to be protected. Importantly, the tape includes a percentage of zinc powder in the adhesive matrix that makes it electroconductive. This allows the adhesive to create an electrical couple between the surface that needs to be protected and the zinc tape, allowing the zinc to act as a galvanic anode. As a consequence of the unique manufacturing process and the high purity of the zinc foil is totally homogeneous and has an isotopic microstructure, which cannot be found in other protection systems. For this reason, the corrosion process is suppressed with no pitting or any form of local corrosive attack. The product's main features include the stopping of any direct corrosion, active corrosion protection. This is due to the electrical contact between the surface to be protected and the zinc layer, which, in the presence of an electrolyte, reacts as a sacrificial anode. The adhesive layer, which acts as an additional defense against corrosion. Longevity. In many cases, Isozin has been found to equal and outlive the structure that it is protecting. Isozin is easily applied to most steel structures, ranging from power station plant to shipping containers. Surface preparation. Isozin zinc tape is very surface preparation tolerant compared to many paint systems, but, as with all coatings, the better the surface preparation, the better the adhesion. As a minimum, the substrate should be mechanically wire brushed cleaned, degreased. The surface should be completely dry when the tape is applied. Unlike other coatings, no primer is required, and in fact the whole essence of the zinc tape system is to ensure that the electroconductive adhesive on the zinc tape is in full contact with the metal substrate. Unlike conventional coatings that just act as a protective barrier to outside elements, the Isozin zinc tape system acts as a sacrificial anode when the metal is in contact with water of moist salts, thus eliminating the effects of corrosion. First was the cleaning using a mechanical wire brush. Then the Isozin zinc tape was applied to the pipe supports and weld areas. The wrapping machine was used on the longer sections of pipe and the magnetic roller on the more awkward areas. Zinc tape application to flat surfaces is extremely easy and is not dissimilar to wallpapering. Firstly, assess the substrate that requires coating and cut the required strips of zinc tape to cover the surface, ensuring a minimum of 10 mm overlap between tape strips. ensure that welds and awkward sections have zinc tape applied first, achieving the bond by the same methods used for pipes and cylinders. Finish the bonding process by use of the magnetic pressure roller. The strong magnet ensures that the correct pressure is applied and also ensures that it's not dropped when working in elevated areas such as on scaffolding. Where zinc tape has sustained mechanical damage, then patch repairing is extremely simple. Just cut out the damaged area using a craft knife, clean surface as previously described, then cut out a patch in an oval shape, ensuring a minimum of 5 mm overlap. Remove the backing paper and stick onto damaged area. Use a hard, blunt instrument to rub the patch into the damaged area. As you can see, this is a simple, fast and effective repair. It is also possible to paint the zinc tape in the same way as you would galvanized surfaces. Economical. Compared to some other coatings, zinc tape, once applied, requires little or no maintenance, or require touch-up or total recoating. Easy to apply. Isozin zinc tape is extremely easy to apply and requires no primer. Environmentally friendly. Isozin zinc tape and its application is extremely environmentally friendly with no harmful evaporation of solvents or other hazards that can be associated with some other types of coating. Long-lasting. Zinc tape can be supplied in various thickness or double-wrapped to last the design life of the structure being coated. Many applications. Isozin zinc tape can be used for small coating jobs, such as a chassis or lamppost